This is our house. This is our back garden. This is the flower bed, the ground smothered by ivy and a concealed wall overgrown with brambles. A day's work, cutting back the plants, shrubs and vines, revealed the dilapidated wall. In part 1, I reconstructed a drystone wall from the stone we salvaged. And now, in part 2, I'll create a level top and point the wall to give it extra strength. I find time passes with ease when absorbed in a job such as this, but losing the daylight, I was forced to continue the next day. Having set some found roof tiles in mortar on the top surface of the wall, I replenished the soil behind the wall. The following day, I applied grout between the tile fragments. All in all, this was a satisfying project, transforming an overgrown flower bed and broken wall into something cleaner, longer lasting, and full of character. I imagine we will plant a small hedgerow or climbing plants and a trellis behind this low retaining wall.